cars. Didn't even get to cross.
Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 3. This week at GP Customs, we have a Jeep coming in that we're going to do a complete color change on. This is probably a 2-week project for the customer. We're doing also some other add-ons to it, but we did a sample piece to show the customer, to show them what the color would kind of look like, to make sure it was up to par with what they were looking for. Also this week we have a Tesla Model 3 coming in. We've done quite a few of these. This one's getting full paint protection on the front end, D-chrome on all the chrome accents. We're doing our black package. It's getting premium window tint all the way around, including the entire back window, and we're doing ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle. We also have a Porsche 911 that we're doing a full paint correction on, and ceramic pro. And then we have more progress on the Hummer. We got the light bars installed, and soon those will be all wired up. A lot of remote start stuff this week because winter's coming. We're also doing some calipers later on this week on a red Tesla Model S that we've had in here a couple times. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today we have this 2009 Ford Mustang that we just got done installing a stereo system in. We did 2 12-inch woofers with an amplifier that the customer supplied. We put the labor in and provided the wiring, and the customer supplied all the parts. We are also putting some Spider headlights in this vehicle. Spider makes a great aftermarket solution if you want to change the lookup of your headlight system. They come with halos, day running lights, black housings. Stay tuned for some pictures of this guy. Customer. Painted calipers are an awesome accent to the vehicle. It draws the attention to your wheel, especially when you have gloss black wheels. It really adds that custom high performance look. So we got this Jeep in on Monday from a customer that we done some business with, a relative of theirs. They wanted to do a color change on it. We talked about a couple options, whether we were going to paint the whole Jeep or whether we're going to wrap it. She got a couple different quotes to paint the vehicle. Ultimately we like to do whatever the customer wants. We suggested doing a wrap just because we keep the factory color of the paint here. And if the customer wants to sell it, we can just take the wrap off and the original color's there, which makes it more pleasable to somebody looking to buy the vehicle. So this one's going like a Tiffany blue style color. This is the color from 3M, and it's turned out pretty cool. Stay tuned. So we're about halfway done with the wrap on the Jeep Wrangler. We have most of the body panels all done. The whole front clip is done. And we're getting ready to put the doors back on, which are completely wrapped. Finish up with a couple of panels on the other side. And then the top goes back on and this thing's out the door.
Alright, what's up? Today we got BCM air filters for this Porsche right here. You can see Sal's already put one on. Gonna put the other one on in a second. Air filters, more horsepower. Okay, so we also got these cat bleeds on there, get more airflow, make it louder, that kind of race car sound that you want on your Porsche, because who doesn't want that? Yeah.
So if you guys haven't figured it out yet, one of the cars we really specialize on is Tesla. Here we have another 2018 Tesla Model 3 that came in from a customer. We've been doing a lot of our packages on these guys, which includes the whole front clip getting paint protected, and then we seal the whole back end with our Ceramic Pro ceramic treatment, which is the best on the market. On this vehicle specifically, we also did a black package on it, so we got rid of all the chrome with a nice gloss black vinyl. Did it on the handles as well, the mirrors and the chrome reflector on the front. This gives the car a lot more of a sleeker look, and now with the front end protected and the back end ceramic coated, it'll definitely last this customer for years to come, keeping it looking brand new. So one of the products that we always use is an infrared heater to really bake on the paint protection film and their ceramic coating. This helps cure the process a lot faster than just leaving it outside, and also get rid of a lot of the water bubbles and imperfections from the film. Hey guys, so we're just wrapping up the week here at GP Customs. We had some really cool stuff this week, and we got back from the SEMA show that we got some awesome pictures to show you guys later on. This week we finished up on a Porsche Cayenne S, which is a performance model that we upgraded it with Fabspeed exhaust, and we also did the intakes on there as well. We did a full polish on the vehicle, and we also added a custom stereo system with Phoenix Gold and ARC audio equipment. It turned out awesome. One of the next things we did was a Porsche 911. This vehicle we did a full paint correction on and also sealed it with Ceramic Pro, so the customer can make it all through the winter and not have any issues with the vehicle and keep all the road grime and everything off his paint. We also made a lot of progress on the 14 Jeep Wrangler JKU. We're doing a full wrap on that vehicle, color change to Tiffany blue. It's looking awesome. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. One of the major projects we had this week was a Tesla Model 3. You know we specialize in Teslas. We do a lot of these electric vehicles, and we did a full paint correction on the vehicle. Paint protected the whole front end with SunTech Premium Ultra paint protection film, and then we also did ceramic coating on the whole back end with Ceramic Pro, of course. We also took all the chrome and blacked it all out, so we added our black package and tinted the windows with premium SunTech CXP film. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like our blog, subscribe so that we can show you guys more stuff like this in the future.